Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this I don't know what to call this look. Let me move my hair so y'all can see it. Ooh child, I am loving my hair. Okay, I am loving my hair. Okay, I just did this twist out, and this is like the most bum out twist out I have done. I hate twist outs, but this honey, this I will do. Okay, this I will do. Anyways, I have this really fall inspired look. I don't know what to call it. I honestly just did not know what I was doing. I was actually frustrated with the look as I was doing the eye look, but then eventually it came together. You'll see in the course of the video. So I'm just feeling my hair. I don't even care about the makeup. Okay, look at this curls. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, I am just in love with my hair. But anyways, if you want to see how I achieved this nice look, keep on watching. Ooh, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you do like the video. Welcome to the family. Let's get into the video. So this is me with freshly moisturized face. I'm going to prime my eye area with my Estee Lauder mattifying primer, just my eye area, because today we're going to do eyes first, even though I hate it. I'm going to highlight underneath my brows. I put this before I put my eyeshadow base, especially if I'm using a bright eyeshadow base like the P. Louise, so it kind of blends with the, you know, like the eyeshadow base around my brow area, so it's not like streak white line there, you know. As we all know, I'm not that light. I'm just going to blend that out, and you know, making sure it is well blended. I really love this eyeshadow base, you guys. It's just perfect. Going into my Morphe 35OM palette, I'm going to take that eyeshadow and I'm going to stack it on my eyes first with the P. Louise or any wet base eyeshadow base. Any eyeshadow base that you don't set, you want to stack the eyeshadow first before blending, else it will give it like a streak, and this way the eyeshadow is very pigmented. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to take this burnt orange kind of color and I'm going to put that on I'm going to use that as my transition color. I'm going to blend. The mistake I did was going and taking this orange and adding that on top of that. That kind of made everything weird. I was just like, nope, I'm not understanding. I just went back and forth and I blended, and I was just like, what the heck is this? Anyways, it just wasn't coming out right, but I was just like, we're just gonna go with it. Took this brown from that same palette and I'm just going to put that in my outer V and also blend that into my crease. So you guys know I just go back and forth with all the colors I've pretty much used thus far, and I blend, especially the crease color and the color I use for the outer V. I just go back and forth and I blend until I feel like I've gotten a nice blend. And then I'm gonna cut my crease. So I have hooded eyes, so this is what I do to help me get like a nice crease that shows even when my eyes are open, because you know, if you have hooded eyes, your actual crease is covered when your eyes are open. So the goal is to make sure that the cut crease that I'm doing is still showing. So I'm cutting it above my crease, and I'm just using the same P. Louise. It's a half cut crease. So I'm going to put that orange that I mistakenly put on my brows earlier as my transition color, and I'm just gonna bring that in. So I'm doing it sort of like how do I put it, like it's a gradient effect sort of something. So I'm just taking this nudish color, putting it right on top. You can see that it's not straight. The way I'm doing it is not, it's not like, you know, my center lid, my the inner corners of my eye. I'm just sort of giving like a gradient effect. So I'm just going back and forth to blend. I'm gonna take this off-white color-ish and I'm just gonna put that in the inner corners of my eye, and I'm bringing that up to sort of blend. So I'm just going to blend. Now that we're done with all that blending, I'm just gonna bring that dark brown and I'm just gonna bring it inside to continue like the gradient effect sort of something. Now I'm just gonna put eyeliner. I'm doing a wing. I hate wings, but this look requires a wing, so to say. So I'm just going to use my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner that I love. And I'm just going back with that dark brown with this very small pointed brush to clean the crease and give it like a nice crisp look. And I'm just blending. So I'm just spritzing my face with my Mario Badescu setting spray, and because my face needed some reviving, using my Radiant primer by Laura Mercier. This was a mistake for this look, but okay. I'm just gonna apply that on my face, but it didn't really go with a foundation. I'm using my Fenty foundation in 480. So I normally use a 470, but I think this 480 is more like my color, even though the 470 works for me. But I think next time I will get the 480 because the 470 is more reddish for me. It's actually very red. very red. So you can see why I said this was a bad, the primer was bad, because you can see how patchy it is. I had to go back and apply some more foundation, which I felt like I applied too much foundation. So yeah, it wasn't the best fit. But anyways, I'm applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut as per usual, and I'm just highlighting my face with that. I want to be careful with the eyeliner part. That's what I'm doing, because you know when you do the wing and everything, you don't want to mess it up. So that's why I like the LA Girl Pro Concealer tip, because it just makes it easy to clean, you know, underneath the eyeliner. So I'm just gonna blend. You want to be careful with the eyeliner as well, and if you make a mistake, you can go back to reapply some more eyeliner like I did, which I didn't show, but I did that like twice actually. So you're just gonna blend. I'm gonna apply my Laura Mercier translucent powder, the one I got from the Beauty Insider kit I got from Sephora. I haven't used this in a long time, and this container the thing came in was just so annoying because it was so small, so I had to I kept going back to reapply. But anyways, I like this translucent powder a lot. It's a bit expensive, but that's why I haven't had it in a minute. Hopefully I'll get me some soon. Going back into that what you call it, the Morphe palette, I'm just gonna use my contouring shades to contour my face, and I'm going to clean underneath the contour with my powder. And I'm just taking off the excesses first, then I'm gonna use my MAC NW58 Studio Fix powder, and I'm just gonna blend my entire face together. I'm gonna apply some contour again, just to bring out that contour, because sometimes it's lost in the process of blending. I'm gonna contour my nose with the brush I used to contour my face, just pinching it and I'm contouring my nose. And I'm blending one last time. So I'm using my NYX eyeliner. I think it's a charcoal eyeliner, I don't know, but I'm just putting that in my waterline. Then going into my Juvia's Space Festival palette, and I'm just putting that underneath my eyes, because I feel like this look needed some brightening, like it needed some life, you know. So I'm just applying those two colors underneath. And then I'm using my NYX glitter. It's a gold glitter gel liner. I don't know the name, but it's a gold one, and I'm just putting it in that line and just giving it some more life, because this look was just so dead. And going into my sleek makeup blush palette, I'm just going to highlight my face. I'm going to take that highlighter and I'm going to start with my brow bone, and then my face, forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. You guys know the drill.
then I'm gonna blush with those two colors, starting with the red, and then I will go with the peach orangish one. And I just go back with my highlighter brush to blend again, and then my contour brush one last time to blend. And now I'm just going to spray my Skin the Nivea setting spray, which I absolutely love, the bridal one. I'm just spraying. And now I'm gonna line my lips with my my MAC Cosmetics Vino eyeliner, MAC Cosmetics Vino lip liner, sorry, and I'm just lining my lips with that to sort of serve as a base while I go and I use my Colourpop Hitch. I haven't used my Colourpop lipsticks in a long time, and I have a lot of them, and I just wanted to use a dark color. I wasn't feeling the lips, to be honest, but it's okay, we work with it. But yeah, so this is it, guys.
This is the finished look, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are on this look. Something different. I normally don't play with just matte colors on the top of my lid, but I really love how this turned out. And you know, with the little glitter and something on the underneath eye or whatever, I'm just like, okay, we can do this. And you know that I hardly wear bold lips. So this is different. I'm like, let me bring in the fall. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And I will, and as always, don't forget to leave and not exist. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love you and God bless you. Mwah.